Hello, I'm Jaquelyn I'm a doctor of physical therapy at Hope Physical Therapy and Wellness. Today we're going to do part 2 of a video series on different stretches that you can do from a seated position. Today we're going to go over the 3-way child's pose or prayer stretch in the seated modification, the piriformis stretch or a glute area stretch, and a hamstring stretch. So first off, the child's pose position. A lot of people may be familiar with that as it is a yoga position that is often done on a mat. This variation you can do seated at your desk. If you scoot your chair a couple feet away from your desk, you can outstretch your arms in front of you, relax your head, neck, and back down, and hold that position for 20 to 30 seconds. From that position, walk your hands out to the side, and again, relax down. If your hands are pointing to the right, you should feel a gentle pull on the left side of your low back. If your arms are stretched out to the left, you should feel a gentle pull on the right side of your low back. Next, we'll go over the piriformis stretch. For this one, cross one ankle up onto the opposite knee. From that position, go ahead and sit up nice and tall, keeping the back straight. Lean forward just until you feel a gentle pull in the glute area. Hold for about 20 to 30 seconds. And then repeat on the other side. The last stretch, again, stay towards the edge of your chair. Straighten out one leg. Sit up nice and tall. Make sure that you're not rounding the back. And then just lean forward until you feel a gentle pull in the back of the hamstring. Again, repeat on the other side, holding 20 to 30 seconds as long as it's gentle and comfortable. All right, that's all I have for you for today. If you have any other questions, keep them coming, and stay safe out there.